Hello, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So before I even get into my vlog or whatever I'm going to talk about, I forgot in my last vlog to shout out somebody who commented on my last video, because I did say I want to start shouting people out, or at least like saying hi. So you know that I actually read your comments, and you know I'm actually like talking to you and not just myself. So I'm gonna put this person's comment right here. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and supporting. I really appreciate it. Let's just get into what else I'm gonna talk about. So we are on a new week. I've been in my week 30 for like, I'm already halfway through this week, but man, I just haven't had time to vlog at all. And also, not a lot was happening with my pregnancy. Like, when I sit and think about these weekly updates, I'm like, sometimes there's just nothing to say, you know? But I feel like almost like I'm becoming a hypochondriac, because it's almost like I wonder if you can hear that. This neighbor, man. He's like working on his trailer in the middle of the day in the middle of the street. Like, take your shit in your backyard. And so it's hella annoying. If you can hear it, sorry. So right when I started week 30, I developed a new, I guess, symptom of pregnancy. It has to be related to my pregnancy, because I've never had this before, and I just don't think that yeah, anyway, so I'm wearing a brace because I started getting such bad pain in my wrist right here, like literally the day I turned 30 weeks. And I was like, what the hell? Like, what did I do today? And then I started looking it up, and I realized that you can get pregnancy induced carpal tunnel. And it's basically just from like all the fluid retention. It happens most likely in the third trimester. Okay, pause. This is the future Casey coming to you. I just wanted to say I wore that cast or brace or whatever for like 2 days, and my pain went away. I don't even think I had carpal tunnel. Like I said, I'm becoming a hypochondriac, so I'm not going to waste your time with what else I had to say here on this part. Shall we do a bump date? Let's see. Oh, sitting on the ground hurts. All right, here's the 30-week bump right here. I didn't do a bump date last week. And you know what? I kept telling myself, I was like, I'm not getting any bigger, but I am, because this shirt used to go all the way down here, and now it's like, and I refuse. I refuse to buy any more clothes for this pregnancy. I don't care if it looks too small, because I'm not going to be pregnant that much longer. So I'm not trying to buy a lot of maternity clothes. But anyway, there's a 30-week bump. Hello, I'm back again. It's been quite a few days. Well, not quite a few days. It's been a few days. And we are on 31 weeks now. So not much has happened. I'm going to kind of put these videos together, the 30 and the 31. I got a haircut, so my hair still looks long. Nobody even really notices when I get a haircut unless I cut it like super short. But today is my baby shower. So I'm getting ready to go do that, and I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. Here we go. Oh, 31 weeks. That's what my belly's looking like. This is what I'm wearing to the shower. Don't mind the background. This is my daughter's room, so see if I can get in there all the way. Here we go. This is what I'm wearing. And then I don't know what shoes I'm wearing yet, but it's my outfit. We went last night, and my husband bought me a dress to wear for today, so whew, I am tired. I woke up at like 6 a.m. this morning to do my nails, because I was like, I can't have raggedy nails today. So yeah, I'm actually really tired because of that. But here's how they turned out. I did like a French tip, basic French tip this time. And yeah, I was thinking about doing a nail video, but I don't know, there's so many out there, like, I don't know if no one will even care to watch mine. Anyways, I gotta go. I got some errands to run before this baby shower. here I am on my favorite spot on the couch, updating you. I have not been keeping up with my vlog. I've not been keeping up with my vlog. I can't even talk because I am so tired. Anyway, so I just don't want to turn this. I just didn't want to like vlog nothing because all I do is complain nowadays. But in reality, I really am super duper tired. I just like hit a wall. I just want to sleep. I don't want to do anything, and I'm trying really hard. I've taken vitamins. I've tried everything. I've tried to stay hydrated. I'm just tired, and I'm tired of being pregnant. And I said it because I am. So I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I don't know if I'm going to put the weeks together. I don't know. But I did have my baby shower. I didn't really vlog anything there because I just didn't. But I'm going to show you what I got. Alright, we've hit 32 weeks. Like I said, I'm just putting all this video together because I haven't been vlogging. I haven't been doing anything really besides working. So, I'm going to show you my bump. Okay, this is the 32-week bump with the baby daddy in the back.
With a little bit of junk in her trunk.
I don't know. Can you tell it's getting bigger? I can't. So we got a bunch of stuff from the shower. I'm just going to kind of show you guys. Do you want to help me?
Sure.
So we put some of the stuff in my son's closet right now. But I just wanted to show you this blanket that our really good friend, her mom makes quilts. And she made these Egyptian blankets. Let me show you kind of closer. It's the other way, babe. Yeah, like that. So she said they like custom ordered these designs, these Egyptian designs.
Better than my grandma did it in Egypt, you know what I'm saying?
So she made 2 of those. The other one's kind of similar.
Yeah,
Then we got like a whole box full of just like bottles and formula, all sorts of stuff, bath stuff. At my shower, they did a book, this book right here for everyone to sign. So it has everyone's little notes in there, which is really sweet. And then in here we got all of our bigger stuff. This stuff we mostly got before our shower. We got like our stroller, car seat, bassinets in here, swing. We still haven't opened any of this. I want to try and do that next weekend. Got all this stuff. So this is all the stuff from the shower. We got a bath. Yeah. So we just have to organize it all. It's just all in our laundry room. But I plan on next weekend just going through and kind of getting stuff ready because it's going to be here sooner than we know it. I mean, look how fast these weeks are just flying. So I need to at least start washing his clothes and getting them ready. Like put the bassinet together, put the car seat, all of that. And I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. So anyways, that is the stuff we got pretty well taken care of at our shower, and I'm so grateful. Like so grateful. I didn't have anything left over from my son because he's 7, and I had basically just like given everything away. If you guys know, my husband was gone for a little bit, and we just didn't even know if we were gonna have another child, and so this child is like our little miracle baby. So we had to start all over with as far as like getting stuff for him. But our family and friends really took care of us, and is already showing so much love to this baby. I'm so grateful. Like, words can't even, grateful is like not even a strong enough word for how I feel. So this baby is so loved already. Look at my sexy baby daddy right there. Do a twirl. Let's show the fit of the day.
That's it.
What do we got on? What do you got on?
That true blue Yankee shit. Cuz.
Hey,
What do you want me to say?
Rocky's over there like, anyway. No one wants to put me in the vlog. Our yard is a mess. We got our fence put up. Well, one side of our fence, but we still have the slats and stuff to go in it. It looks so ugly out here. I can't wait till it's like spring. Everything's green and...
What? So I can do all the work? And
So it's probably a good time to just end this vlog because I've had like 2 weeks on this vlog of me doing nothing. Excuse me. Anyway, the baby is doing great. I feel like he moves a lot. He's kicking constantly. I feel like he's doing good. I do have a checkup this coming week. It's the weekend right now. And then I am going to start my weekly non-stress testing. So yeah, I think everything's going good so well as far as the pregnancy goes. Besides me having really bad days where I'm tired and complaining all the time. But all in all, it's been good. So I'm going to end this vlog and hopefully continue it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.